What's up, everybody? IRAV 90. Quick trick on doing an evaporator core. Probably work on your vehicle. Just got to figure it out for yourself. This is a O2 Focus, first generation, up to 05. And 06 and 07, maybe newer models, newer generation, going to be different. But you're basically, the premise is the same of what I'm going to tell you. You're going to have to figure it out for your own car. Doing an evaporator core. Obviously, you got to pull the dash. There's plenty of videos out there. I haven't looked at much of any of them, but I did when I did this in 2021. When I did the evaporator core in 2021, I checked out some videos, and the one I saw pulled the steering wheel. You don't have to pull the steering wheel. On these, there's some bolts that attach the column to the crash bar down in there. After you get all this junk apart, you get your seats out of the car, you start taking things apart, getting everything, just all you got to do is lower the wheel down, get those bolts. I can't remember if they're Torx or they're 6-point. I don't know. That I forget. It's been so long. Look at that, 45 degrees. It's 102 in Arizona right now where I'm at. I'm sitting in the shade, so obviously if I go into the sun, it's going to be hotter. But 45 degrees, man, that's blowing pretty decent. Oh, yeah, I got it on number 2. You keep it about number 2, you're going to blow colder. The higher you get, I would turn it up, but then the fan is going to, ruin the video. It's going to get too loud. You guys aren't going to hear me talk. But that's the gist of it, man. And it might work if you got security bolts. A lot of the Toyotas got security bolts, depending on your generation of car. My key has a transponder in it, so there's no security bolts. But if you do, just drill into them. Use a bladed easy out instead of the spiral ones. I don't like the spiral ones. They don't work for me as well as the bladed ones. They got the four blades on them. And that's it. Don't need to remove the steering wheel. You guys know what happens. You pull that airbag and you risk, have to put the clock spring all back together and all that jazz. I've done it on one vehicle before. I had an airbag problem. Messed with it, got it solved. But this one, just lower the steering wheel onto the floor and do all your other stuff that you guys got to do. But look at that, we're at 45. Took a rock to the condenser in October of 2024. Fixed that, and here we're good. No, 2023, October 23. So 2 years later. Going on 2 years later, still rocking and rolling. So anyway, don't bother. And then, make sure you guys pull the battery. Make sure you got all your stereo, whatever you got. Make sure that your capacitors are drained out off of your airbags. I'll show you how to check for that in one video. I think I already made one, but I'll put another one. Anyway, tips and tricks, how to do an AC evaporator. I'm not, it's a lot of vehicles going to be the same. You got to pull the dash, plenty of them. Some Toyotas, you don't have to. You can just get under there. But this one, you know what you got to do. One of the hardest things is getting to the bolts that hold the airbag. Hold the airbag back there. That's probably one of the most difficult parts of this job on this car. You got to pop that cover, but get to that freaking airbag. Oh man, the 2 bolts behind the dash hold the airbag in the cradle. Not easy. But that's that. Like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. My dogs need food. Help me out here. Come on. Love you guys. Learning so much from all you guys out there. Subscribe. It's free. I need the help, man. Come on. Trying to make some money off of YouTube. A little extra always goes a long way. Love you guys. Peace. Aloha.